Hola, buenos días. Are you a parent who barely remembers the Spanish that they learned in high school? Do you have a child who is struggling to do their Spanish homework every night and you have no idea how to help them? You've come to the right place. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and I'm going to walk you through my step-by-step guide on how to help your child with their foreign language homework. Now, you may have noticed that my channel is targeted towards Spanish language learners. True. However, this strategy can be applied to any language. In fact, this strategy can be applied to any subject. Stay tuned, and a little bit later, I'm going to tell you how and why I adopted this strategy in my life. Interested? Grab a notebook and let's dive in. Number one, ask specific questions. Don't just ask them when they walk in the door, hey, how was Spanish class today? Because you might not get the answer you're looking for. The goal here is to find out what they know. How strong is their foundation in the language? So you ask things like, do you know the colors? Do you know the shapes? How high can you count? Well, so often you might ask someone if they can count in Spanish and they brag, oh yeah, I can count in Spanish, but it often sounds something like this. Yeah, I know my numbers. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Yup. What verbs do you know? Verbs are very foundational to any language. Can you conjugate a verb? Number two, ask what their current homework is. What is tonight's assignment? Have them explain to you what they think the teacher wants them to do. What did they talk about in class before the assignment was given? This assignment would be a practice of what was done in class. If they can't verbalize it to you, reassure them that maybe the two of you can figure it out together. It's not always that they aren't paying attention in class. It may be that they're behind on some key information, and whatever the teacher is saying now is too overwhelming for them to grasp. Number three, ask them to show you what they already know how to do. What did the teacher say to do? What part of the homework do they understand? Have them explain that to you. Ask to see their notes on the topic. The organization of their notebook or lack thereof will tell you a lot. It's in here somewhere. Oh yeah, that was like last month. Let's see. I don't know. Oh yeah, this was yesterday. No, wait. This was yesterday's notes. No. Yeah, I don't know. Be patient, be understanding. Approach it like you want them to teach you what they already know. Ask things like, did I say that right? Or say things like, wow, you are pretty good at this. You're just stuck right now. We'll figure it out together. We'll get you unstuck. Number four, ask them to show you the previous assignment. This would be very helpful because most assignments will build off of one another. Ask them to explain what they did there. Is there a connection between the last assignment and this one? Help them to make that connection. What is the building block? This is a general guideline for all foreign languages, to all homework, really. I've found over the years that the student knows more than they think they know. If you help them to talk out what they already know and to look at the directions and the examples in the book, that light bulb should go on. I discovered this method back in high school. quite by accident. I was struggling. I was struggling to do my math homework. I just didn't understand. And my aunt was there. She was trying to help me, but she didn't understand it either. So she started to ask me specific questions. So we went to the book, we looked at the examples, and she asked me, well, what did you learn in class today? And so I tried to talk about the things that were happening in class. But as we went back over the directions and looked at the examples in the book, and some of the things we had done the previous day, and my notes and stuff, all of a sudden that light bulb went off and I said, oh, I get it. Now I know what to do. And I was able to complete the assignment. And I've used this strategy ever since. If you notice that your child is struggling in a particular area and neither their notes nor the notebook is helpful, number one, if it's Spanish homework, please send them to my channel. I have made several videos on topics that I discovered when I was teaching were sticky points for my students. Number two, send your child to their teacher and help them to be honest with the teacher. Ask specific questions. Have them go to the teacher and be honest and say, I missed something in my notes. I'm not great at taking notes. I didn't understand last night's assignment. What do I need to know in order to complete that assignment? I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed with all the information that's coming at me. I need a little bit of help. I hope this information was helpful for you. If so, please click that thumbs up button down below and leave me a comment. Let me know, what area is your child struggling in right now? Is it conjugating verbs? Is it making nouns plural? Or maybe it's just sentence structure, how to put together a sentence. Or did you already follow my advice? Did it help? Let me know your story in the comments below. Go ahead and click on the screen now. It'll take you to the next video, which I think you'll find helpful. Until next time, peace.